Listen, this is the most delicious fried eggs you can make in just a couple of minutes. First, slice the onion into half rings. I like a lot of onion. It makes it juicier. Heat up the pan, add some oil. Add the onion. Subscribe. I'll show you how to cook simple meals. Slice the tomato. Don't cut it too small. The riper the tomato, the better. How I love the combination of eggs and tomatoes. Salt the onion. This is important. Add the tomato to the pan. Let it soften a bit. I'm using 3 eggs. Carefully crack them. You can do it right in the pan. See that juice coming out? That's exactly what we need. Now make small spaces. And add the eggs. Salt. Pepper. And don't touch it right away. Seriously. Let the white set. Cover with a lid. If you like a runny yolk, don't cover it. Add some greens for color. A couple more minutes, and it's done. Look how tender it is. That's why I love it. Fast and incredibly delicious. Save this. You'll need it.